I'm now going to show you how to retrofit a UTP module to send analog video over twisted pair cable in the VD-VDP20 series polycarbonate vandal resistant dome. First thing we need to do is remove the camera with the 3 screws, camera module. Lift that off and unplug the camera. And we have the power supply module and the existing service connector with the video lead, which is currently BNC analog video output. So we're going to add in the UTP module which has got a twisted pair ballon on it, and this particular model is the NVT compliant module with the RJ45 output. So we simply remove the service connector, unplug the video lead, and unplug the connector that goes to the power supply board, and insert the power supply board connector into the new UTP module and plug that back in. It's actually a little bit easier if you lift up the power supply module. That down there. Push those down, and we just need to remove the existing video lead now. So we just remove the cable clamp and remove the BNC lead and just insert that back into the cable clamp position. Redo the clamp, and the RJ45 connector can either be routed out of the 25mm conduit gland out the bottom or out the side connector or the side hole, and then just re-plug in the camera module. And screw that back down. And the camera is now ready to use in a twisted pair environment using an NVT compliant product like the Altronix HubWay twisted pair units. So we've got 24 or 28 volts AC coming across 2 pair, and the video going back on a single pair. So a nice, simple, clean solution.